anything I want, unless and it's not illegal.
That's really nice and cool about you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Night Owl Rider. So today I never tried, I never drive. I just took the metro to MG Road from the Church Street, and now I am into Blini Bistro. So the restaurant. So how I came up with this is I just while walking at the Church Street, I just saw this Indo-Asian cuisine. So I thought, okay, let me try what is it and how the taste is. So let's go in. Come. So this is how you enter. So if you come there, you could see the boat. Let me show the boat. You could see that. So a good ambience. So come, let's go. So as usual, it's not push nor a pull. It's a slide. So once you slide in, you can get into the store. So this is how the ambience you could see. And that's me. So let's go in. So over here, the main founder, Mr. Harsh, right?
Yes.
Yes, he's here. So he suggested me Blini peri peri chicken. So the spicy one, they have dessert too, amazing dessert. So I'm like, you can go watch that. So guys, finally I am at Blini restaurant. So he gave me Blini peri peri chicken, and he's the founder, Mr. Harsh. So he suggested me this because of the spice. So let me start. First question to you.
Yeah.
How did you get this thing?
Blini is actually a Russian dish.
Okay.
Name I did not discover. The name is already there, and it goes by many names like Blini, Plinchik, and all that. Okay, but I had an eureka moment where one of my friend who was here on a student exchange program, and he gave it to me like 6 years back. And I was very happy, like so many permutation combinations can be done with the dish. And I made this because I wanted Indian people to have the same kind of taste with the blini, which is new. Only two changes I have done with this. One is that I have removed the fermentation, the yeast from it completely. There's no yeasting.
Oh, that's
which
nice.
is made because to make it more fluffy and soft. And the second thing is they put cherries into it as well.
Oh.
So if I put cherries on your savory, you would not be liking it at all. So I just remove, and the batter will also become bad very soon. So I was like, okay. So it's just that, just to make it delicious, I've done these two few changes in it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you are liking how it tastes.
Yeah, that's brilliant. So I really love it. So on the way it's going on. So my first bite, it was really great.
Okay.
So I could taste that spiciness which I always look for.
Oh, then
I am a person who always like need more spicy.
spicy.
So that kind of things. In my home also what my mother cook.
Okay.
So it will be more spicy than like
Usual.
a usual food.
Okay.
So I love more spicy. So when I started the first bite, so I was so happy that okay I found
Something you love.
yes I'm like more a spicy person.
How was the dip?
It was really amazing. I had a new taste. I could feel like that even have a tangy taste.
Correct. That's how we make it. So this is totally eggless part. There's no egg in it. Nothing.
That's nice. But I really love this.
Thank you so
What
much.
what you have given me the what was that?
Blini.
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 Okay,
Exactly.
blini peri peri chicken.
Correct. Now you got it.
Oh, I always have that problem.
No problem. No problem.
So finally, this was a really great day for me. So what else you have? If you tell in spicy.
Spicy we can customize pizzas for you. We can customize burgers for you. We can customize any all tortillas, tacos, and you name it. We can customize the things. Okay, so and as much as spicy as you want. So we earlier had something called bhut jolokia as well, which is the most spicy chili in India. Okay, so it has like a burning sensation. It's like I think it's 10th or 12th in the entire world on the spicy level or something.
Oh.
So we had that as well. We can put that as well, but then I don't want my customers to run away. So that
No, if they want it, you can get it.
I can get anything I want, unless it's not illegal.
That's really nice and cool about you.
So it's like that. So I mean, the thing is that like I always wanted like this is out of pure passion. So this is something which I really love and adore, And like how you found it spicy, I like the medium spicy things.
Oh, okay.
but I am not exactly foodie like you. So it's just that like food just like literally turns me on. I'm so happy when I eat food. So I was 140 kilos by eating food, man. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So I have photos to prove as well that I'm 140 kilos.
The people behind the camera should understand this.
But I did not want you to only have like bad food. That's why when you saw in the kitchen, the open kitchen, that we put mozzarella cheese. So that's also a Amul company. We can go, inferior plants, so there's really more profit for me.
Yes, very
But the thing is that, like if I don't want to do injustice to my clients, Whosoever has come over here, they all have. And that shows in our ratings as well. Like in a short period of time, we are the most highest rated restaurant on Church Street. That's not told by me, it's by Google.
Oh.
So Google on the map, they show that Blini Bistro most highest rated. So and we out of 57 reviews, all are 5 stars on Google. Just the thing is that people are loving it. I hope by God's grace, something.
Everything will go good.
Thank
Right
you.
now we are talking, I'm having that.
That's feeling.
Like, okay, let me.
Please have it.
So I'm taking slowly one bite of this.
Please.
But I really love it. The spicy level of this.
Then we should see all of you, soon over here, like all the time. Please come.
Sure.
Because this is something which is really made out of passion, which I don't even want to tell how badly I want it to succeed. Not only with the business scenario involved in it, it's also because in entire India, I think no one does Indo-Russian fusion food.
Yes.
The only reason is that they eat a lot of frozen stuff,
Yes.
and so basically what they like the most with the blini is smoked salmon. If I put smoked salmon, most of the Indians don't like seafood. Like only 20%, 10% people like seafood. Then I don't want people to tell that only I have seafood, I don't have anything else. The surprising part was 6 Russian girls came all of them had paneer.
Oh, that's
And I was laughing, I was smiling. I'm like, what part of Russia to get paneer? Okay. But then they don't know because you said it's Indo-Russian fusion food, so we want to try something Indian. And when they ate a pesto paneer,
Oh.
they were very happy because they did not want spicy at all. So they told me that they want totally something which is in their, palate they can eat aram se, there's no problem, no spicy. I'm like, please try a pesto paneer. They all loved it. They all loved it. So it's just like that, by God's grace, let's see how it goes.
That's very good. Hearing with you, having a word,
Thank you.
and we are
Blini.
Blini peri.
You're Blini peri chicken.
I won't forget.
Yeah.
So I really love the taste.
Thank you so
So
much.
then like my concentration is more of here than like talking.
Then you please finish the food.
Yes. So what I'll do is anyway, good meeting you.
Thank you so much.
Nice food.
Thank you so much.
Whenever I go to a restaurant or any place, good food, happiness.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So you gave me the happiness today.
I'm glad. And I wanted it as well.
But yeah, trust me, to my viewers, you can try this 100% guarantee. Spicy. The people who love spice, make them. Best.
Any level of spicy, whatever you guys want, we can give you that.
Yes. So finally, I'm done with my dinner with Blini peri peri chicken. I couldn't try the dessert which he had told me there are amazing dessert, but I couldn't try because my lack of time. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll go back. I'll come back on Saturday, not Sunday.
Okay.
Perfect. So he'll give me the best dessert what he have, right?
Definitely. 100%.
And people who are looking for spicy Indo-Russian food, please contact him.
Yeah.
I'll give you the Instagram ID and in the description box, Instagram. So I can give you a number also.
Right?
Yes, I can give you his Instagram ID and the number where you can call them. So you are available on Swiggy,
Not right now, but soon will be.
Zomato.
Not right now. We'll just open it.
Okay, so how long you are open?
It's been almost like 40-45 days.
Okay, 45 days we are open. But shortly you can find them in Swiggy, Zomato and any other food delivery partners. And best taste, amazing food. My Indo-Russian experience was really great. So I am very much thankful to you for making my dinner precious.
Thank you.
So nice meeting you.
Same here.
With all your chefs, thank you guys. So meet you again. And so next time when I meet, desserts.
Definitely.
Okay, so finally I'm done with this. Now what I'm gonna do is going back home. Tata.